Today, I'm going to show you how you can make your Premiere Pro videos look 10 times better with one simple little trick. So guys, we're here in Premiere Pro and I've just imported my footage, and let's have a look at the intro of this video to see how it looks by itself. So you can see it's pretty washed out and all that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to set it back a bit, and we're going to go up here to color, and then with the video track selected, we're just going to come here and click auto. You see that drops the colors a bit, and all in all makes it look a little bit better. So that's the simple trick, guys. What you can also do is you can bump up all of these sliders to make it look better to your taste. I'm just going to do that here. That's a bit more advanced. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to, but it's there if you want to. So drop the blacks a bit more, exposure. I think it's pretty good. You can play with the tint if you want. Drop that back to where it was. Click auto, and you'll just send it all the way back. So that's the trick, guys. Let's look at the before and after in the outro. Thank you for watching this video, guys. You can check out some of my other videos here. Like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it. Leave a comment if you have something to say about this video. Share this video if you think someone else would find it useful. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.